In this section, we're going to learn how to use drag function in Pear so that you can have an active interaction with your students during the online class and your presentation. Now, click Add-on and choose Open Pear Add-on. You can see the panel pop up here on your right side. And here's the button of the Draggable function. Here, for example, if I want to teach something about the geography and I want to know my students' prior knowledge, I can use the drag function here to engage the students during the class activities. In order to do that, I'm going to create a new question to get my students thinking about the topic of on which continent is the longest river in the world. Let's add up a new slide and put our question here. Now, instead of typing text here, I will get rid of this text frame. You can press the Delete button on your keyboard and add a world map here so the students can drag and drop an icon to show the continent that has the longest river in the world. Now click the Insert button on the Function tab. Choose Image. And here you can see a lot of options here. You can choose either to upload the world map picture from your computer or search the web. Let's try the second one. You put the keywords world map continents here. And you can see there are a lot of pictures for you to choose from. Let's pick up the second one and press Insert. Now you can see we just add up a new world map here. You can make a slight changes or adjustment to your picture here. You can move the locations of the map, or you can adjust the size of the map. It's quite easy. Now next, let's click the function button Draggable. And this will add the interactive component to your slides. Now here you can see you're free to choose the draggable items here that you like. Here you can see there are a lot of different types of draggable items here for you to choose from. Let's choose this one, pin. And you can also choose to add another draggable items here if you like. And you can also change the color of the draggable items here. After you finish doing all this, press Update Slide. And now let's go back to our slides. Here you can see there's a bar over here at the bottom of your slide, and it shows that you have already successfully added the interactive components to your slides. So now you may wonder what it will look like in your student's computer after you made all these creations and changes. Here, let's press Start Lesson first and choose our second option, Instructor Paced Activity. And this web page shows that you are now in the teacher's wheel. And next, let's have a look at what it will look like in student's wheel. Let's open a new browser. And copy and paste this web link. And now just continue to copy and paste this class code. And here, this web page is the student's wheel. You can skip it. Here you can see there is a large blank here in student's wheel because the teacher hasn't started the class yet. Let's go back to teacher's wheel. You press Start Class. Press the little arrow here into our question page. And let's jump back to student's wheel. Here you can see on the student's wheel, they can drag this icon anywhere they want and drop the exact position that they want to show the continent that has the longest river in the world. And let's go back to teacher's wheel again and press show responses. Now in the teacher's wheel, you can see the locations that your students choose to drag and drop their icons on the continent. So you can see if your students have made any changes, you can see these changes happen at the same time on your wheel, on the teacher's wheel. And by doing this, you and your students can have the active interaction during online class, and you will get to know their thoughts on time. And this is another amazing way to engage your students in the online learning activities. Now, it's your turn to practice this function in your own computer. Good luck and have fun!